Right, hello everyone. Today I'm just doing question 11 of some random paper, which is 19 marks. And this is what I'm always doing on calc, just because calc is, I'll probably do calc at some point. But yeah, I just found this question. I haven't attempted nothing. Oh, and yeah, pretty much it's just 19 marks. So yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into it. So since I haven't done, obviously, let me just read it. So we have a diagram, shows a plan of part of a house. Okay, it's a narrow passageway for 3 or 4 meters, so it's labeled to width 6 meters. And there's a corner at point C, so if it's corner and it's 9 degrees. I see a straight line here and there's another angle here, so I'm just note down. A and B are variable points on base walls, so they can change, it doesn't matter. And that's a straight line. The L denote, so this is L, I'm guessing we need to use it. Show that L equals this, so it's a 2 mark, so it should be straightforward, I guess. If I split L, we're gonna have, just draw it here, just do part A, and then we have a corner, that's 9 degrees, this is 3 over 4 meters, this is 6, this is alpha. Now, you know the similar triangle rule thing, this is also alpha, I'm guessing, because if you do, this is also 9 degrees, if that's alpha, this is 90, this is going to be 90 minus alpha, 90 minus alpha, which means that's alpha, because some angles in triangle 180. Okay, let me just make it look nice. What else do we have? Okay, now let's just place like L1 and L2, they'll equal, so L equals L1 plus L2, so L equals, so for this part, you can do Jason of hypotenuse, so cos of, because we need to get in this form, right? And I know sec is one of the cos, and I can see this cos here, so yeah, I'm guessing it's this part. Cos alpha equals, oh wait, let me just, exactly, cos alpha equals Jason hypotenuse, so L1 equals 3 over 4 over cos alpha, which equals 3 over 4, and this, of course, is sec alpha, or reciprocal, how you want to call it. So we have 3 over 4 sec alpha plus, and then for the other part, we just have, just bring this down, opposite of our hypotenuse, sine alpha equals 6 over L2, L2 equals 6 over sine alpha, which equals 6 cosec. And that should be it. So we'll bring that thing down. L equals, well, what question states, what Q states. Yeah. Alright, BI. Find the L by the alpha. Okay, this is derivative. So we know L, so you know all of these structured questions you're using what you had before. So it's the L by the alpha of 3 over 4 sec alpha plus 6 sec alpha. Well, we could just do the derivative of both things. So derivative of sec, I'm just going to use my formula, I have no idea. Let me just try to find it. So derivative of sec is sec x tan x. So we're gonna have 3 over dl by d alpha equal to 3 over 4 sec alpha tan alpha. And then the derivative of cos is minus cosec alpha cot alpha. So minus 6 cosec alpha cot alpha. Now, when dl by alpha equals 0, should alpha equals, so now this thing equals 0. 3 over 4 sec alpha tan alpha minus 6 alpha 0. Let me have a think about it. So I think I'm just gonna get rid of the secs and let me turn this into actual trigonometric functions I know, because it's less complicated. Wait, so we have 1 over sec is 1 over cos alpha times sine alpha over cos alpha minus 6. I'm just get my subconscious cosec alpha is 1 over sine, so 1 over sine alpha times, sorry, this part looks confusing, that's brackets, 1 over sine and then cos 1 over tan, so 1 over tan is cos over sine, cos over sine, 0. Bring this all together, 3 sine alpha over 4 cos squared alpha minus 6 cos alpha over sine squared alpha equal to 0. Alright. So anything I could do here. Add to both sides. It's literally like off the dome adds. Let me just, if I was an exam, it's exactly what I'll do. The sine squared alpha. So 3, I can see that, I can make a tan from it, wait. Sine cubed alpha equals, 4, so 24 cos cubed alpha. Divide by cos both sides and divide that, so sine over cos is tan, so this part's going to be tan cubed alpha. Divide by 3 on both sides, we're going to have 8. Cube root both sides. Now would it tell me alpha is between 0 and pi over 2, right? So if I look here, tan's going to be positive, like the angle's positive, the value's going to be positive. So I can denote, because positive number, if you sine with cos, positive is positive. So tan alpha has to equal to 2. Therefore alpha equals arc tan 2. Oh, there you go. Okay, that's done. Alright, next page. See, by the way, I've never done derivatives like this before. It's actually first time. My teacher, he hasn't really taught us this stuff yet. Find the squared L. I'm guessing that's second derivative. I've never done that before, but let me just try. So we know that dl by d alpha. Let me just state it so I don't remember. So I do remember it. 3. Wait. Oh wait, I need to find it. 3 over 4 sec alpha tan alpha. 3 over 4 sec tan. What was it? I think it was a minus. Minus 6 cosec alpha cot alpha. 6 cosec alpha cot. Should be right. So now we want to find TL. What they were like that. Oh no, it's something like that. So I can already see that this is like product rule. That's product rule. So I'm doing product rule in the product. Okay. So it just told me to find that. Okay. So for second tan, I can. Let me just. I'll do it for like both things, just so. Okay, just do it like that. So I don't know, it looks complicated, but just do it like that. So derivative of sec. So I'm just gonna, so u equals sec alpha. What are these? Sec alpha t. Well, derivative equals. So what sec is, I have no idea. Let me just. Derivative of sec x tan. I keep forgetting. Wait. So I can just keep the 3 over 4. U prime v plus v prime v. Yep. So that's it. And v equals tan alpha. V prime equals no idea. Sec squared alpha. And for this part, u equals minus 6 cosec alpha. U prime equals. Sorry, this screen is so small. I tried to fit everything in. Minus 6 cosec alpha. And then it's going to be. Oh, minus cosec alpha. So minus is pairs. 6 cosec alpha cot alpha. And then for v equals cot alpha. V. Okay, this is such a long equation. There's no way they're actually trying to make us do. Okay. What is a 90 marker? Fair play. And then for cot, it's just cosec, or cosec minus cosec squared. So I have some weirdly annotated form booklet. Can't tell there's a minus. Okay, that should be a minus cosec squared alpha. Okay. Now it's going to be u prime v plus v prime u. So for this part, it would be that part. U prime v 3/4 sec alpha tan squared alpha plus v prime u 3/4 sec. Oh. Okay. Okay, this is looking long. And for this part, same thing, u prime v. So 6 cosec alpha cot squared alpha plus v prime u. Now, there's two negatives, so they'll cancel out. Which have 6 cosec cubed alpha. And now we should have to add, just to add these. So d squared L over d alpha squared is equal 3/4 sec alpha tan squared alpha plus 4 sec cubed alpha 6 cosec cot squared alpha plus 6 cosec cubed alpha. Okay, this was too long. Wait. Now that we found that, always with 7 marks when alpha equals arctan 2. Show that d squared. This is looking long. When alpha equals arctan 2, so I have to put in alpha in this thing. That is long. Right. I'll probably sec of arctan. How do you even do that? One because of when alpha equals arctan 2, show that. Wait. Let me think about this. Factor sec out. Let me try and get this thing in sort of tan maybe. Because I'm guessing if it's tan of arctan just makes whatever the angle is. So let me try. Wait, we have 3/4, so 3/4. Sec is one of our, yeah, sec is one of the cos, I'm pretty sure. 4 times just, and then we should have tan squared alpha plus 3/4 1 over cos cubed alpha plus 6 cosec 1 over sine for cot 1 over tan squared alpha plus 6 and 1 over sine cubed alpha. Okay, when alpha equals arctan 2. Oh wait, what if I get the alpha? Wait, let me think of a triangle. I don't know. We have alpha. Wait, could I use the thing in the picture to find another way of... No, I can't. Wait. Alpha equals... Yeah, this is looking long. Wait, let me try 3/4. Wait, so we have 3 tan squared alpha over cos alpha. Plus 3/4 cos cubed alpha plus 6 over sine alpha tan squared alpha. Yeah, this is looking long. How do you even do this? Wait, plus 6 over sine. How the hell is someone gonna do this? Is what I'm wondering. Maybe get this thing in terms of tan. You can't even do that. I could use the fact that sine over cos equals tan maybe. Because then, wait, I could do that. Let me just try. You see, look, this channel, what you're watching here is not, it's not about getting things right, okay? just about trying things. Look, I'm not that guy when it comes to brains, but let me just see. 3 tan squared alpha over cos alpha. Wait, sine over cos is tan, so that's sine alpha over tan alpha. And times tan alpha both sides, you just get cubed plus. So again, cos is sine over tan times tan on both sides. 3 tan cubed alpha over 4 sine cubed alpha. Again, sine is sine over cos is tan, so cos tan, so 6 over cos. Wait, you know what? I'm getting everything in terms of sine and tan. Is that a good thing? I'm guessing. Squared alpha. Sorry, this is so bad, Harry. Plus 6 over sine is sine over cos is tan cos cubed. You know what? Let me just keep it like that. Cubed alpha. Everything with same denominator. Times 4 on both. What can I do? Wait. Times 4 sine squared alpha on everything. No. Yeah, this is looking long. I'm trying to wonder, how do you put alpha equals arctan 2 into the thing? Because tan alpha equals 2. Oh, wait. If tan alpha equals 2, wait. We know tan alpha equals 2. 2 cubed is 8. That's actually 24. 24 over sine alpha plus 24 over 4 sine cubed alpha plus 6 over sine alpha. Tan alpha is just 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 sine alpha plus 6 over... Wait, if tan alpha equals 2... Wait, alpha, opposite over adjacent, that's 2 over 1, so... Wait, 2 over 1. So sine is opposite of hypotenuse, and then 2 squared plus 1 squared equals 5. So this is root 5. Sine alpha equals 2 over root 5. Oh wait, this works. Sine alpha equals 2 root 5. Oh wait, that's how you do it. Sine alpha equals, so sine alpha equals 2 root 5. It's opposite of hypotenuse. It's equal to 24 over 2 over root 5. 24 over, wait, I make sure sine alpha, okay, sine alpha is correct. Sine cubed, so 2 over root 5 cubed equals to 8 over, wait, root 5 times root 5 is 5, so 5 root 5. And then times the 4 here, so it's 20 root 5. Let me just make this a bit nicer. Times root 5 on both sides. 24 root 5 over 2. Plus 6 over 4 times 2 root 5. So it's 8 root 5. Times root 5 both sides. 8 root 5. Plus 6 over... Wait, sine cubed alpha we said was 8 over 5 root 5. Times 5 root 5 both sides. 30 root 5. Wait, we're going somewhere. Times 10 root 5 on both sides here. So wait, 24 times root 5 times 10 times root 5. These become 5. 240. Wait, 240 times 5. Okay, that's what? 1200? Yeah. So 1200 over 20 root 5 plus 24 over 20 root 5 plus, oh, this is the dodgy part. Wait, 36 root 5 over 8. Let me just simplify. So for this part, it's going to become 18 over 4 root 5. Right? 18 times, yeah, 18 over 4 root 5. And then we can times 5 root 5 on both sides here. So 5 times 18 is, 8 times 5 is 30. So that's 80. 80 times 5 is, 80 times 5 is 400. Yeah. So 400. So this equals to 1200 plus 20. What the? This is such a big equation. Wait, I can divide by 2 and everything. Wait, 600 over 10 root 5 plus 12 over 10 root 5 plus 200 over 10 root 5. Divide by 2 again. 300 over 5 root 5 plus 6 over 5 root 5. So 100 over 5 root 5 equals 406 over 5 root 5 times root 5 on both sides is going to be so 406 times root 5. Root 5 times root 5 is 525. And this is where I'm lost. You know what was Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop after this just because it's a very long video. Sorry, I'm a bit slower just because I've never done double derivatives. 6. I feel like this was alright now. By 6 over 8, 18 over 4. What if I divide by, maybe this is 24. This was the odd one out. 10 cubed alpha is 8. 8 times 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Yeah. Well, I guess I've achieved failure, to be fair. Let me see this part. Wait, 1624 over 20 root 5 times root 5 on both sides. 1624 over 20 times 5 here. So it's 100. Yeah, that is definitely not a dodgy answer. But you know what? Wait, actually, what is 45 over 4? Isn't that like 16? No, that's like 11 point something. Is this 11 point something? Probably not. Anyways, yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. So you know, that's a little walkthrough of just brain cells, okay? Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.